Hey guys, Jason here with another episode of Saturday Morning Installs. Today we'll be installing our hood-mounted turn signal kit for all 2018 to 2020 Mustangs. Saturday Morning Installs was born from an idea to demonstrate just how easy these products are to install. No fancy lift or special tools required. These can be done in your driveway on a Saturday morning. This kit includes everything that you need. It is completely plug and play, so there's no cutting, drilling, or splicing required. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is remove the battery cover. These 3 wing nuts just unscrew and then you can grab them, pull them out so they don't get lost. Lift, pull off. Remove the negative battery cable with a 10mm socket. Always good practice when you're installing anything electrical. All right, we're going to remove this hood insulation pad. You just pull these 6 top push pins off. You really don't need to remove the entire insulation pad. It actually will benefit us that it stays on once we route the wiring. And that just gives us access like that. It's time to remove this backing plate for the heat extractor. It's held on by 4 9mm nuts. And you'll probably want a deep well socket to remove these. Now that you have the nuts removed, we're going to pull this panel off. Now it is held on by double-sided adhesive. The plastic's pretty flexible, but you're just going to kind of want to work it off real gently, but firmly. And that plastic, or that double-sided adhesive is going to pop like that. And then we've got the piece off. All right, so we've got this heat extractor retention plate down. We're going to use an alcohol wipe to just clean that surface off, nothing serious. Now we've got our LED lamp, and this is basically going to sit about like that. The black channel that the LED's in should butt up to these 2 points here, and the LED on the connector side should extend beyond this edge a little bit. And basically what you want is the connector to be inboard towards the center of the hood, and that's where the connections are going to be made. And then the LED is going to just sit flush against these 2 points. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the adhesive backing. The adhesive is really not there to keep this in place long term. The pressure of the retention plate will do that. We just do that so that it's easier for you to mount and stay in place while you get it back in. And that is ready to reinstall. All right, now we're going to reinstall the retention plate on the underside of the hood here. All right, I got those snugged up, and you can see the connector is toward the center of the hood. Now we're going to install the LED lamp on the driver's side retention plate, like so. We've got the retention plates installed, and now we're going to install this wiring harness. Basically, you're just going to connect like so. And then this is going to go below the heat extractor and around. I reinstalled the 6 push pins, and now we're just going to route this wiring down the passenger side of the hood, where we will zip tie the wiring to this fluid tube that feeds the nozzles on the hood. Now I'm going to route this wiring down the fender, and I'm going to take these 2 connectors for driver and passenger and just kind of run them under, just to try to make it look nice and clean. All right, we're going to remove this radiator cover by removing these 8 push pins. You're just going to pry up on the center part of the pin and then the body of the pin. Now we're going to pass this long lead with connector under the radiator support to the driver's side. We are on the passenger side, and we are going to reach down and grab the connector off the back of the turn signal assembly. It just looks just like this. We're going to squeeze that to disengage it, unclip it, and then I'm going to bring it up so you can see it. This mating end is going to plug right into that factory connector. You'll hear it click back, and then you're going to take this end and plug it right back into the turn signal assembly. You may have to feel for it. It's not difficult though to reach it. All right, that's connected. I'm going to unplug the driver's side connector. Now you could take the wheel well liner off and get to it, but honestly, this is really not difficult to get to. I'm going to take this mating connector, it clicks into place, and then I'm going to take the connector from the harness and plug it back into the turn signal assembly. I reconnected the battery, and now we're going to test the system with the key fob for proper function. I finished installation of the hood-mounted turn signal kit. It went in less than an hour, so it's a great Saturday morning install. In addition to the turn signal function, they're also going to come on when you unlock or lock your doors. They do a great job filling this pocket with light, and they just look really cool. Check out this B-roll footage, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.